Okay, hi guys. Here's our bag, and look at this. It's so cute. We have a monkey here, and there's lots, and lots of toys here. Good things too. So I've got my new boat. I have some games. I will show you what's inside in the last part. Bye. Hi. So open. So first, let's do the back. So back side, we have here. There's a toy here. One kind of toy. So let's open it. So here's the toy. Here's the toy. The Swinky. See? Swinky. Put it up there. And let's see. See. So here is the ponytails. So let's put it here. Outside. Here. So here. Is it there and there. That's all. Let's go. See, it's a baby bottle. I decided with stickers. So let's put it there. Okay, so today I have this another Swinky. So that it's so cute. Put it there. So we have this one. When you press this button, it's so cute. So let's close here. And today we have this one. So we got this clip. See? Clip. Bing. So they open up there. And so we've got this BB-8 head. Put it there. So there's one more. See? And so we've got one more clip. So that's clip. Oh, we've got one pencil. See? Clip. See? Sharp. Put it there. So we've got some. So we've got some ponytail, and we've got this butterfly clip. And let's go to our next. So the next is this front. Oh. So this is the front. Oh. Some of the things fall down. So we've got this. So let's put it here. There's no more space. So we have this Minnie Mouse. Oh, let's put it here. And we have one clip of the strawberry. Put it there. And we got a black clip. And we've got Finding Nemo. Nemo, Nemo. Yay! So let's put it there. So, got some brush. Wait. Yeah, it's a brush. Oh, there's a other black clip. Same black clip. Ah. So here's the brush. Ah, ha, ha, ha. It's purple brush. See? Ah. So we got one more clip. Ding, 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 ding. So that's a clip and we've got another butterfly clip. See? Ah. Whee! Put it there. So, oh, we've got a donut. See? A donut. So, let's put it there. And we've got this black butterfly. See? So cute. Dee, 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 dee. Put it there. So, we've got this purple clip and oh, put it there. So we've got some. Careful. So we got this cherry clip. See, you can stick it in your bag. See. Let's see, wait. Ah! You can sit here. Okay, never mind about it. Close it, and we got this. Sit down. There. And I've got this blue clip. And got this star. Cute. So we've got this pink. Again, pink. So I got this. It's like a bag. See? There. So we've got this clip. Ah, ouch, ouch, that hurts. So we've got this clip again. And we've got this heart clip. So, and we've got this. We got some black clip. And we've got this blue clip. Blue clip, this clip. And we've got this for your scouting. Be careful with it because it's sharp. So let's go to our next. We've got here is sharpener. It is sharpener. And this is the last. We've got some stickers. Stickers. It's a happy faces. See? And this other one is, oh, there's one more. Oh, and this one we've got a Mickey Mouse there, and this one we've got a pink lip, boat clip, and an orange boat clip. So we've got the, oh, let's put it there. So we've got this Transformers sticker. See? You can stick it. So